Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all of the new subscribers. I've been watching my live feed subscriber count and it's been going up and up, and thank you. And I think you guys, a lot of you guys came over from my video of what can you make with Pillsbury biscuits. Yes, that's it. It's a pretty old video, like 4 or 5 years ago, but it seems like it's just now taken off, and I appreciate everybody commenting, all of the positive comments on it. Thank you again, and thank you for the new subscribers. Today's video is going to be just a quick one. It was going to be between either what I'm actually going to do, the roast beef dinner. It's really quick. I am making it in my Instant Pot, or it was going to be a video on me coloring Banner's Mohawk blue. Lucky for him, I chose the roast beef dinner. I just might do that video after all. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Instant Pot roast beef dinner. It is so easy, delicious. And if you are afraid, if you guys have an Instant Pot and you guys are afraid of it, I see there's a lot of people that's intimidated by it. Don't be intimidated by it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, and once you use it and you find out how easy and tender your meat comes out, you'll just love it. So I'm going to start out with, I have, what is it? This is just like 2 pounds of a beef chuck roast. It's just 2 pounds. It's just for 2 of us, so that's all we need. I actually brought this to room temperature before I saute it because I don't want to shock it. And I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom. Not much. I'm going to put my Instant Pot on, if you can see, saute. We're going to get that good and brown on both sides. And while that is sauteing, I will tell you a little bit about what I have here. This right here is just, I use the brown gravy mix and the ranch dressing, and I put it in here and only use like maybe 1/4 of this, and mix it with 1.5 cups of water, and it is delicious. Okay, that's what you want it to look like when you're done browning it. That looks perfect, good enough for me, perfect for us. So then you have all of this in here, and you want to get that off. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water in there. My Instant Pot has actually turned itself off. And I'm going to take this, and I'm going to lay that in there. I'm going to take the mix that I mixed up, and I'm going to put some in my water. That's it. Go back to my Instant Pot. I'm going to put my meat back in. Whatever drippings is left on the plate, just put it back in. I'm going to take one small onion and just put it right on top. And then I'm taking my mixture, pouring it right on top of the meat. And that's it. Just a little bit more to get it all rinsed out. And that's it. Then I'm going to put this on. I'm going to make sure the seal up here, the venting, is closed in the off position. So that is in the off position. Going to hit pressure cook, and I'm on high pressure for, remember this is only 2 pounds. I'm just going to go for 40 minutes and that's it. Let's check on the roast. It has 4 minutes left. It's all done. It only took 40 minutes in the Instant Pot.